Hi, I'm Rick, and you're probably asking yourself, why does this guy want to buy my house? Well, I hope I can buy your house, but it's not always the best solution. So, if you have a house that you're wanting to sell and you have time and patience and you can probably fix up some of the stuff yourself, then I would recommend going through a realtor, selling it for sale by owner to make the max profit. But if you're in a situation where you don't really want to mess with the repairs and you need to sell it quick and you don't want to mess with any commissions, you just want to sell it as is and fast, then I would like the opportunity to buy your house. I want to give you a good offer. I want it to be closed quickly as possible, as fast as the closing company and the title work can be done. And I would like it to be a win-win. I do invest in houses to make a profit, and I want to explain that up front. And so I do have a number that I do offer on my houses that makes sense to me, but it has to also work for you. And sometimes it doesn't always work, and sometimes I have passed on buying houses from customers, and then they call me back later sometimes and they decide they change their mind. They do want to sell to me. So it's not something that I put any pressure on anybody. If it doesn't seem like a win-win, then I'll just walk away, and then you can always call me back later, or I'll touch base with you later and see if you change your mind, but there's no pressure. I buy in the Tulsa area, and I would like to do business with you, and I don't do anything predatory. That's the one thing in this business. There's a lot of predatory house buying in all around the country. It's been something that's been a real negative thing about house buyers, but I always close. I don't give you an offer and then try to get it down right before closing and make up excuses like, oh, this is going to be done. Oh, I didn't notice this, the roof was in such bad damaged and needed to be repaired more than I thought it would, so we need to drop the price another 5,000. I don't do that, but a lot of people do that. You won't. That's just not ethical. And so the price I offer you is the price that we're going to buy the house for. Would that ever change? Well, maybe if there was something that we totally missed, and there's a chance that could happen. But I always try to, and whether it's me or my partner coming out there, we're very thorough. We look through the whole house, and you'll notice how thorough we are looking through the house. And we try to catch everything that we possibly notice that needs repaired, and we make note of that, and we make our offer based on that, because we don't want to come back and say, hey, we didn't notice that. No, I've never done that and don't plan to do it. And so we want you to be able to be happy with your offer and know it's going to close by this date, because I know people are relying on that cash to hit their banks at a certain time. So anyways, my name is Rick, and I love to buy your house. I work in the Tulsa area. If you're in Bixby, Jinx, Broken Arrow, Owasso, any of the areas around town here and even farther out, I would love to have the opportunity to buy your house.